Right now, for an end user, there is no capability to use a template. So if you have as an example, a sales department that needs to create, 20 different teams, and you want them to basically have the same structure, but you don't want to have to go and recreate everything for every one, you can set up a team and call it a sales team template as the name. You can make it hidden, but then you can use it still as when you go through the process of creating a new site, you can use that site as the template. You're going to basically copy it for each new site that you get. So the process is really the same as creating a new team. The thing is that what you have to do first is build a team that you're going to use as a copy, as your template. You select join or create team at the bottom on the left-hand side. Then you click your create team button. And then from there, you come up with your create your team screen. And instead of building a team from scratch here, you're going to basically select create from. And on this, then you're going to select team and not Office 365 group. You want team. And on this screen, you can see I've got a list of sites that I can use as a template. And on the bottom one, you see my sales team template. Now, there's a couple other things around this. So in this one particular case, I don't have any other members that are part of this team, but you can see my other sites do. So if I create a site from them, that all the members of that team can actually come over with them into that new site if you want them to. So in this case, you basically select your sales team template, and then you can add new members in here just like normal if you want, or you can select skip. And then at this point, this is where, it generates a new site, essentially a new team. And you can see in this case, I get my general, just like channel that I always get, but I also get my sales planning and sales reports channels that were part of my template site, as well as I get all the tabs that come in for my general channel. So I've got a sales team template, I've got a sales plan, a US sales, the other tabs, they'll also come over also. Now, the caveats to this is what this is doing is it's just taking the structure. So none of your content comes over. So your files and all do not come over as part of it. They get a blank file area to start with. So all of the members, if you have members over on that, will be copied over. The tabs are created, but they're not connected. So if you have a sales report tab that's connected to a Power BI report, you're going to get the sales BI report tab, but it's not going to be actually connected. So then you need to go back and actually reconnect that tab.